Hey everyone, how's it going? I'm Akash here and you're watching Tech Infinity. So in this video, I'm going to give away my PUBG Mobile account. So first I'll show you what all things that I have accomplished with this PUBG account. And then I will tell you how you can win this giveaway. So let's get started. First of all, I am currently on RP rank 63 and this season is about to end, and at the end of it I am at crown 4 and I'm moving between crown 4 and crown 3. So that's that. And now I'll be showing you my inventory. Now before we move on to that, let me tell you about, okay, so I will just quickly show these things that I have. So these are some of the special dresses and outfits that I have. So this is the gunslinger set. With this I get a special emote, and this is exclusive only to this outfit. And I have this emote which I got by earning an RP rank of I think around 40, and on RP rank 60 I got the arm skin. So I will just go to the inventory, you can have a look at it, and from there you can see whether you want it or not. So now we'll talk about the giveaway. So how to participate. So first of all, you have to be subscribed to the channel. So just subscribe to the channel, and you can also follow me on different social media. That is an option, though it is not compulsory, but if you would like to follow me, that would be great. And so who will win? First of all, you have to make a comment down in the comment section and tell me which is your favorite gun or anything but PUBG, or whether non-PUBG related, or why you want this account, why you should get this account. And the comment with most likes will win this one. So as you can see here, I have the Alan Walker mask as well, and some caps. And so when will this giveaway end? This giveaway will be concluded when I get about 5,000 subscribers, or this video gets 100 likes, or when this video hits 10,000 views. That's when this giveaway will end. And if you really want this account, there is another option. You can buy this account for about $20 or for 1,000 rupees. That amount will be used for a further giveaway on my channel, where I will be giving away Amazon gift cards or whatever payment you would like. But that would happen if someone buys this account. So those were your 4 options. Those were 5,000 subscribers, 100 likes, 10,000 views. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions about this giveaway, let me know them in the comment section below. As you can see, I have some parachutes as well, and I have a few skins. As you can see here. And yeah, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.